From the office again, man. Streaming from the office. We didn't get to do a live stream this morning, so I figured I'd hop on now. And the market's looking pretty good, so we're going to talk about it. But it usually takes you guys about 3 or 4 minutes to come into the chat. So we're going to wait it out. Wait for some of you guys to come in. And yeah. Meantime, we'll just kind of have a look at what's going on in the market. All right, what do we got while we wait? Bitcoin is looking pretty good right now, guys. 58,269 right now, looking good, up 2.2%. Surprised. I'm a little surprised. I figured for sure we were. I'm still confident we're going to see that little bit of a pullback before we see the actual run up, but nothing is guaranteed, right? Nothing is guaranteed. So Bitcoin's looking pretty good. Let's look across the market. Cardano's up 4.7%, not too bad. Fetch is up 6.3. ASI Alliance, very nice, $1.39. SUI, SUI, looking juicy, guys. Wowza. 13.1% up, shot up, guys, from 87 cents to $1.01. It's having a good day. I believe there's a lot of meme coins being launched over there right now. I'm seeing a lot of people shilling meme coins in the Discord right now over on SUI's over on SUI. So I'm not into any of them or anything like that, but nevertheless, right? What else do we got? Ondo is up 2.6%, guys. In my opinion, Ondo under $1 is a steal of a deal. In my opinion, 63.7 cents. Not bad. Jasmine 1.1% up, back up over 2 cents. 2 cents 02. Not too bad. What else do we got? What's going on? NOD is a nice little DCA opportunity. It's down 3.6%. Still wondering if NOT and Toncoin are going to end up recovering or not after what happened with, David, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Near up 3.2%. Freaking $4.13 for Near. I got into Near when it was like $1 something, man. Thank God I did. Thank God I did. Still holding. Still holding. Yamaha, what's up, man? Good to see you. The gang is starting to roll in. Very nice. There is, what do we got? Crypto Q, what's up? Hello, hello. Finally caught a live stream. Yes, finally. CASP is up 2%. There's an important video I'm going to be putting up on the Patreon tomorrow, guys, and it's discussing what I'm looking for. I have my eye on something, and I think it's going to be an amazing opportunity in terms of crypto. So we'll call it a project, right? There's a project that I am eyeing for an opportunity, and I'm going to be talking about it tomorrow on the Patreon. I don't know if I'm going to do a pre-recorded video on it or if I'm going to do a group video call. We might actually do the group video call on it, but it's going to be awesome. Savvy, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. So yeah, if you want in on that, guys, make sure you're jumping over to the Patreon, because there's some fantastic opportunities that are going to be going on over there. So yeah. Quant, $70, guys, down 2%. Not bad, not bad. There's some good opportunities. There's some good profit right now, but there's also some good DCA opportunities. Man, I really got to fill up on some SEI network, man. I haven't finished yet. That's another project I got to finish stuffing my bags on, because holy smokes, right? 29-cent SEI network is a steal. What else do we got? So yeah, the market's looking pretty good, guys. All in all, not bad, not too bad. What's Solana looking like? $136. not bad. So, yeah, I'm just looking across the market here, seeing what's going on. Hmm. What else do we got? Isaac, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Um, so, guys, somebody had asked in the comments. I did a video talking about this a while ago, and it seems I have to talk about it again. Maybe people aren't catching all the videos or something, but um, somebody had asked. I did a TA video, I think, on Onyx Coin or something like that, and they were like, bro, what about Swift Coin, man? What's going on with Swift Coin? Like, thing is, guys, and again, I've talked about this, right? No news is not bad news, right? Because there's no major announcements coming out of a project or anything like that. That doesn't mean that the project's dead or that something terrible happened to the project and then you should no longer have conviction in your project. Like, I don't know where that came from. I don't know why people do that. If you invest in a project, right? Let's take Swift for example, because that's the one that I'm being asked about right now. If you buy Swift months ago, and absolutely positively nothing has changed with the project, the fundamentals have not changed, the team has not changed, the direction the project's going, nothing has changed in the project. If you've done your research on the project, and there is absolutely no reason whatsoever, no excuse for you to be losing faith in the project because they haven't made any major announcements. And if nothing has changed from in the project from the moment you were bullish and bought into it, and if you're wavering on your conviction in the project when nothing has changed since you bought it, that tells me you didn't do your research when you bought it, right? And that's not how investing is done. You got to do your research, or else you are not going to have the conviction in your plays, right? So yeah, this person was like, what's going on with Swift, man? Nothing's going on with Swift. Swift is still just as bullish as it has ever been. Nothing has changed. The team hasn't changed. The fundamentals haven't changed. So again, doing research matters, because when you don't do it, you end up in the comment section of someone's video going, losing your mind over something that makes no sense, right? Isaac says, I will get in the Patreon this week. Yes, I can't wait, brother. I can't wait. We're gonna see you in the video calls. We do group video calls over there. It'll be a fantastic time, buddy. Isaac says, when should we expect rate cuts? Do you think the dip will follow the rate? I think it's like is it like the 16th or something like that? Somewhere around there is when 15th, 16th. And yeah, I don't know. I think there'll be probably a minor dip. I've talked about how I think it's going to be like a self-fulfilling prophecy, right? People are so scared that there's going to be a dip because of the rate cut that they're going to sell and sit on the sidelines, which is going to kind of cause a dip because people are selling in fear of a dip, right? So a little bit of a self-fulfilling prophecy there is probably what's going to happen. But I don't think it's going to be major. It's not going to be like some 25, 40%, pullback or anything like that, in my opinion, anyway. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think it'll be that terrible. But, yeah. Oh, what's going on around the market? There's not a whole bunch of news. This is going to be a crazy couple of weeks, though, guys, for sure. And I've been telling you guys, since August, I've been saying, guys, September's going to be this way. It's going to be red. It's going to be boring. It's going to be sideways and down and a little bit up and then down. And things aren't really going to start to take off. We'll start to build bullish momentum through October, in my opinion. And then we'll really start to catch momentum and catch speed coming into November. And then we'll get the Santa rally, right? Going into December. And we may very well pump for another couple of month or two, after Christmas going into the next year. But then we're probably going to see a significant correction which for me is a bear trap, right? A significant correction after that, and and that's where a lot of people are going to get shaken out for the parabolic part of the bull run, right? Because what happens, guys, is especially with new people, is we're going to see a significant run up. Like I said, October, November, December, January, February, let's say, okay, and then we're going to see through March, we'll probably see a correction, right? A significant one, probably 30-40% correction, right? And then what happens is you'll start to see content creators like BitBoy and stuff tell you that the bull run's over, right? Which will cause people to sell and get out of the market instead of buying the bear trap. And then that's where we'll start to go parabolic, right? So that's what I foresee happening. What do we got? Rod. I take vodka and tonic, sir. Thanks for all your help in the Patreon. It's a place. It's the place to be. Thanks, man. Rod, I appreciate you, buddy. I love having you over on the Patreon, man. I love doing our one-on-one coaching sessions and stuff like that, man. Thanks for the support, brother. It's awesome to see you, man. Savi price prediction for some coins in Santar. What? I don't know what that is, Sab. Oh, Santa Rally. I don't know, man. I honestly, listen, this is the thing. You have to understand that the next 3 months are going to be very volatile and unpredictable. I do not recommend using leverage trading and stuff like that through these next couple of months, because what you have to understand, it's not going to be easy to predict the prices of things over the next 3 months. There's so many catalysts in both negative and positive context that you really have absolutely no idea where things are going to go. They could go absolutely parabolic, they could be boring, they could go down, and no one wants to hear, well, they could go down. But let's face it, if Trump loses the election, things are probably going down. We're probably going to see a dip. Now listen, that doesn't mean that the bull run's over, and it doesn't mean we're still not going to see the bull run, but it does mean that a lot of people are going to sell because of fear of another Democratic 4 years and attacks on crypto, right? So that may that's going to hold a significant factor in what happens over these next 3 months, right? If Trump wins, we'll probably see a major pump in the market, right? You got rate cuts. How many rates or how many cuts are they going to do this year? Honestly, I'm predicting three 25 basis point cuts, right? So, and that's just a couple of things. There's so much other stuff. You have to remember also that individual projects are also going to have catalysts at this time too, because this is where projects, listen, these projects are not stupid either. The teams on these projects are not stupid. They save their catalysts and their announcements and stuff like that for when things start to gain steam as well, right? There's probably a lot of companies out there in the crypto space that are gearing up to make major announcements coming up as well. Things like, take for example, Caspa, okay? We know to almost a certainty that we're going to see over the next couple months announcements about Binance and Kraken listing Caspa. We know that we're going to see the KRC20 project start to launch. It's going to start first with meme coins over on Caspa, right? That's the first thing, that's because they're the fastest, easiest, and cheapest to make, meme coins, right? So you're going to see meme coins start to launch over on KRC20 really, really quickly, right? But then going into the new year, you'll start to see a lot of solid utility plays starting to build on Caspa as well, right? So that's the thing. There's a lot of catalysts for individual projects as well, right? We have the announcement coming up for Jasmine for the completion and launch of the platform, the IoT platform that they're building in partnership with Panasonic to connect all of Panasonic's IoT devices, right? So there's a lot going on that makes it very, very difficult, not only in the grander crypto space, but also in individual projects, right? So yeah, it's really hard to say, well, this project's going to be this price at the end of the year, right? It's going to be very hard. We're going to have to take it on a day-by-day, case-by-case basis and remain vigilant, right? keep our eye on the ball. This is where you really have to start paying attention and keeping your eye on the ball when it comes to the market. Things have been boring and sideways and down for so long that people are complacent right now, right? And it's going to be hard for people because things are just going to start happening, and you're going to be like caught off guard and be like, what the hell just happened to this project? What happened to Caspo? What happened to Jasmine? Like, what, you know what I mean? Like, what happened to Bitcoin? It's just going to come out of nowhere, right? Because you're complacent, you're bored, and I could tell you people are bored because listen, views are down, right? And stuff like that. So we know as content creators, we know when people are bored because views are down, people walk away. They walk away, which sucks a little bit because we'd love to see you here, but at the same time, it might be good for your mental and emotional health, right? What we got? Funky, what's up, man? Pluto Bollock, what's up, family? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Jesse James, yo, what's good, man? The Rob Father, I'm chilling at work in a hurricane down in New Orleans. You're in a hurricane right now? Well, that's not so good. Take care of yourself, man. Take care of yourself. Dwayne's in the house. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. So yeah, guys, that's basically the messages that I kind of wanted to get across to you guys tonight is, and it's a good opportunity to do some DCAing too. So stuff your bags, yeah, I went for a course for the military. Wow. Benjamin, my bags are packed, but wouldn't mind adding some more at lower prices. Yeah, I know, me too, man. My bags have been packed for a long time, but then the more I think about seeing some of these projects at lower prices to get a little bit more, but then that's the thing, guys, is that you get a little bit more, and then what happens? Now you want to get a little bit more, and then when you get a little bit more, you want a little bit more, right? So there's never going to be a time when you're like, I'm satisfied with my bags, or there shouldn't be a time when you say I'm satisfied with my bags and I'm ready to go, right? Because the more that you're able to put in right now, the more you're going to be able to take out at the end of the day, right? When it comes to the parabolic, you have to remember, it's like 3.5 years of boring red followed by 6 months of euphoria. And then we start all over again of the dreary 3.5 years of red, right? Balaclava man, what's up, man? Raw big dog, how tall are you? I'm 6 foot. I am 6 foot, 275 pounds. Isaac, I'm learning it's never enough. Yes, exactly. It is never enough is right. And it shouldn't be. That's not a bad thing. That's a good thing, right? Because, like, again, you're trying to make life-changing wealth here, right? So think about it this way: for every 1,000 that you put into the market, if you can 10x that 1,000, and that's just a random number. I mean, it could say, you 100x or whatever that 1,000, right? But you get the point. The more you put in, the more you're going to be able to pull out. And for some of us, our pull-out game's not that good, right? I see what I did there. I got 6 kids. Trust me, bro. Right? Anyway, some good DCA opportunities across the board, guys. I hope you guys are taking advantage of them. Market's looking pretty good. Bit of healthiness, never hurt nobody. David, Rob built like the Undertaker. Yeah. Undertaker. I wish I was built like Brock Lesnar. I'll tell you that much. That guy's like a super athlete. Been a champion in like every sport he's ever played. But yeah, my guy, 6 kids is a lot. How do you feed them all? Well, I mean, I'll put it this way for you. I've been in crypto for a long time, right? A lot of cycles. That's how, right? I did a video today. Again, another video over on my over on the Patreon, which, guys, you got to get over there, because I put a video there today which I think is an impactful video, and it's about my start in crypto and how small my very first portfolio was And I think a lot of you would be surprised, right, at where I started and where I am now. So, very, very, very humble beginnings. So, if you want to know my journey through crypto and how I got from where I was when I first started in crypto to where I am today, you're going to want to get over to the Patreon and check that video out. What do we got? Six. Pluto Bollock, I have 4. You beat me. Funky. My FET has been on a tear. Yeah, FET's up 5.2% today. Not too bad. 21% on the week, 61% on the month. Yeah, I would say FET's having a good time, man. Thinking about putting it into Jasmine. Don't know which do you think will pump bigger percent this bull run. Oh man, I mean, listen, the market cap on FET is like almost 4x. It's 3.5x what Jasmy's is, right? So, I mean, Jasmy's probably going to have a better return on investment at this point. But that doesn't mean that FET isn't still going to do fantastic, right? So, BMO beard game on fire. Yes, growing it out, man, growing it out. I actually went to see a buddy of mine a couple of days, maybe a week and a half ago. He's a beard specialist. He specializes in grooming beards and stuff like that. So I go to him every 6 weeks or so to kind of get my shit under control, right? Isaac, good thing we have you guiding us to teach us what you didn't know back then. I'm already ahead. That being said, thank you, man. I appreciate that, Isaac. And listen, when you do get over to the Patreon there, you said you were jumping over there. When you do get over there, check out the video that I made today again about where I started in crypto and how I got from where I was to where I am. Right? I think that you're going to find it very, very interesting. The level of ignorance and lack of knowledge that I possessed when I first got into crypto was astonishing. And that's one of the reasons I made this channel, because I understand, because I was there, I understand the complete lack of understanding, so to speak, right? Trick Gamer, what's up, man? What could Miria reach at its peak in your humble opinion? I mean, it's got Miria's got the potential to go to mirror what Gala did, if you ask me. It could do something similar to Gala. Gala got to like 83 cents or something like that, I think. Now, do I think that Miria's going to get all the way up there? No. I could see it going between 40 to 50 or 40 to 60 cents though. I could see that as a realistic target, honestly. What else do we got here? Dwayne, you still feel we'll be around 30 cents? I'm hoping so. Man. These next few months are going to be volatile, brother. Jeremiah, what's up, man? Good to see you, buddy. Isaac, I watched that video this morning. Started with 2K. Nice. Yeah, but don't be giving out my stuff. Don't be giving out the special video information on the chat, brother. What could Swift reach at its peak in your opinion? Swift? I mean, a lot of people are calling for $1. Not this time around, man. Not this time around. Again, I would be satisfied with about 25 to 35 cents on Swift, to be honest with you. Jeremiah, what do you think about Dave Ramsey's advice? I haven't heard it yet. I heard that he gave some advice today, but I haven't had a chance. I've been at work all day, so I haven't seen it. So I'll let you know after I watch it. Are you going to the Jasmeet Singh look? No. He's NDP, right? No. He's been backing Trudeau. I have no interest in anyone backing Trudeau. My bad. Would you take some profits from Jasmy and then reinvest it back into Jasmy once it goes down at the end of the bull run? I mean, yeah. I mean, I would take I'm going to sell half my Jasmine. I'm going to keep half my Jasmine, right? So um, if I keep 50% of my Jasmine, then I'll like when I get to the bottom of the next bear market in 2026, what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll 50% of my profits from this bull run into Bitcoin, right? And then I'm going to roll 25%. I'm going to sprinkle it back into altcoins near the bottom of the next bear market, probably near the end of 2026 is where I'm going to guess that is. And I'm going to DCA 25% of my profits from this bull run into alts, and then I'm going to keep, and Jasmine will be one of them, and then I'm going to keep 25% in fiat to not really keep it in fiat, but like buy what I need. I think I'm probably picking up a new truck next year. Probably keep a little bit of, you got to keep a little bit of a nest egg cash on the side just in case. Um, I think I got to buy my wife an SUV, do a couple of small things, right? Pay for my son's. I send my son to a private Christian school, so I'll pay for all his schooling, get all that done again, and for the next 4 years or whatever, and um, so that everything's kind of. That's what I do. I'll pay for everything. I'll pay everything for 4 years for the next cycle, so I don't have any bills. Right? You pay off your vehicle right away, pay for all your kids' schooling, pay for whatever it is that you need, put money aside for birthdays, Christmases, all that stuff for the next 4 years, and then you just don't really have to worry about much after that, right? And just keep reinvesting into the next bear market and just keep rinsing and repeating, right? So, um, Isaac, I can't wait to pour money into the next bear market. Yes, that is going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of fun to do that. Rob, are we still going to see you after the bull run? I'm gonna miss you, man. Gonna miss these times. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna be around minimum. I'm gonna be around for at least one more bull run after this one. So, um, the earliest I would leave would be 2029, 2030, right? So I will be around for a while. Yeah, you guys are not. We're gonna go through the next bear market together, guys. We're gonna start from scratch at the bottom. We're gonna build fresh portfolios together, especially over on the Patreon and stuff. We're gonna start from scratch. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna look at new projects together that are launching in the next bear. It's gonna be a lot of fun, man. I'm actually really looking forward to it. I'm almost looking forward to that more than I'm looking forward to the peak of this bull run. I'm like, hey, let's get this peak of this bull run over and sell everything so we can, and let's get to the bottom of the next bear market so we can start fresh and have some fun here, right? It's a weird feeling to not be looking forward to the money, but being looking forward to starting fresh again. It's a weird thing. Dwayne, if Jasmine team feels like the next cycle for Jasmine is around $17. Would that theoretically mean it should hit higher than $1 this cycle? Not necessarily. Not necessarily, because I talk about this when it comes to Onyx Coin, XCN, quite a bit. And that's people need to start really paying attention to TVL, right? Which is total value locked. And I've held Cardano up as an example multiple times. Now Cardano went from 3 cents to almost $4 in the last bull run because they had achieved something like an 82 or 83% TVL, which is total value locked, which means 82 to 83% of their tokens were taken out of circulation, right? That's why the price went up. That's one of the contributing factors to the price going up as dramatically as it did, right? And that's what's happening with projects like Jasmine and Onyx Coin, is that the teams are they're structuring their plans in a way that incentivizes us to utilize TVL to lock up our tokens, whether it's the Onyx Coin protocol, the DAO, or it's Jasmine Super Wallet PDL, right? You have to lock up tokens to do this and take them out of circulation, and that's going to be significant in terms of the effect on the prices of these projects. So, Dwayne, David, smart man, this bull run, you're leaving. That's how long I have to get rich. If that's when you're leaving, yeah. got, Isaac? I agree with exactly. Stargazer, what's up, man? At what point in time do you think Jasmine will hit or get near a dollar? Uh, could be in the spring. Could be in the spring. Uh, what do we got? I've worked everything out. If Jasmine hits $1 next run, I'll have 27,000. If Swift hits even 10 cents, I'll have 3K, and XCN hits 10 cents, I'll have 35K. That's a good amount. Yeah, that's a good amount to roll over, because then you can roll that money over to the bottom of the next bear market, right? Bruno, what's up, buddy? Everyone thinks I'm crazy to be in crypto. Yeah, you and me both, brother. You and me both. They think you're crazy until they see the results of your investments maturing, and then they think you're lucky. So you go from crazy to lucky pretty freaking quick, right? Ape Coin, are you talking about Board Ape Yacht Club's project? Is that what you're talking about? Um, I think I still hold a little bit, but I don't think it's going to do much, to be honest with you. I know that the SEC is shifting gears and trying to go after NFTs now, so I don't know how that's going to play out. Stargazer, where do you see Crow peaking to? Probably about $1.10, $1.11. I could see something like that for Crow. Wouldn't be shocked to see about $1.22 to $1.25 though. Crow's got a massive community behind it. Massive. I don't hold any Crow, by the way. Not yet, anyways. I'm hoping to pick some up, but I could see Crow being very successful for sure. But guys, that's it for me. I got to get out of here. I'm getting ready to head home. So maybe I'll do another live stream later tonight from home. But I got to wrap things up here. And yeah, I'm off for the night. So I will see you guys a little bit later. If not, I'll see you tomorrow for the morning live stream. And what do we got? Thoughts on Pepe next bull run? My younger brother says he's going to hold. I wouldn't. Pepe will do fine, but I wouldn't hold it through through the peak of a bull run and then through another bear market. I would sell it and then maybe buy it again at the bottom of the next bear market, but I wouldn't hold it long term like that. Not on a meme coin of any kind. Enjoy, watch out for those elks. Yes. Guys, yes. So I'm gonna head home. Guys, check out the Patreon. There's a very important video that I put over there today. You can also book one-on-one coaching sessions there. We do group video calls there, crypto giveaways, all kinds of stuff. Get your asses over to the Patreon. You're not going to regret it, guys. There's a whole bunch going on there. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.